Hey, it's James here. I'm walking down to the beach here at Super Tubes with Bobby, and a couple of things were on my mind and I thought I'd just chat with you about them quickly. So the markets have been pretty crazy recently with the Iran war and the missile war that's going on, with missiles flying all over the Middle East and the Straits of Hormuz in contention and talks of invasions and so on. Driving energy markets crazy, including oil and natural gas. Oil over $100 a barrel, natural gas spiking down to well below $3 today and right back up again as stink bids were taken up under $3. So crazy stuff. And of course precious metals have been difficult to trade as well, with massive rallies and then a massive collapse. We've also seen the dollar appreciating, and that's driven the other major currencies down and risk assets down along with it. So very, very tricky trading. The reason I'm making this video is to talk to you about risk management and how you can manage your risk during these very difficult market periods. Of course, you should have a strategy and some idea of how the market's going to move. But within your trading strategy, of course, you've got to manage your account size, your risk size, and the money that you've actually got available. And a lot of traders find that very difficult to do. So what's the answer to these chaotic market conditions that traders find so difficult to trade? And the answer is, there is no simple answer. But what I have done is I put together some notes and some videos for you called the Risk Lock Method in the Trader's Survival Kit. And I'm putting a link below this video so that you can download that scot-free and have a look at some of the videos, read some of the notes, and perhaps discover how to trade these very difficult markets. And they will come along again and again and again in the future. So it's best you learn how to do it now, right? So download the Risk Lock Method, the videos and the notes right below the video. There's no obligation, it's scot-free, and I won't spam you with any nonsense thereafter once you've entered your email address so that I can send you the stuff. But I think it'll really help you understand how to manage risk in not just difficult trading conditions like we've got at the moment, and these wars will finish, markets will settle down, we'll be at different levels, but they will establish themselves and we'll be able to determine what the ranges are. So things will settle down. When things look like they do now, it seems impossible to trade as a boat goes past me on the horizon. But it's best that you learn how to manage risk in good markets and in bad markets, when things are more easy to trade, not so volatile and less whipsawy. But when those moments come along, you need to be able to trade those too. So download the Risk Lock Method. So I'm not going to give you a TA video today, I just wanted to give you my thoughts. But there are some videos from last week, and of course Sunday Night Live, which you can download. The links are on the channel. And if you're really struggling with your trading, why not consider joining the private group? There are links below too, and you can join us for 14 days for free and decide whether you like it for yourself or not. I think it's a no-brainer. Come and join us for 14 days, and if you like it, you can carry on, and hopefully you'll get some benefit from it. But if you don't, and you don't get any benefit, you can just stop. What a lovely morning here at Jeffreys Bay here in South Africa, and just waiting for the markets to open up a little bit later on. And I'm really excited. I think it's going to be a great rally day today, and I'm excited about watching Bitcoin, stocks, gold, silver, copper, all moving up, and hopefully bond yields and the dollar and the price of crude oil got to move down. All of those things got to happen before we see any real enthusiasm in the market. But many of the assets, including stocks and Bitcoin and gold, are all at very crucial and key, perfect technical levels for a bounce. The fact that they're so perfect means that we may have to suffer some fake outs, but hopefully not. And sometimes, just sometimes, the markets react perfectly to perfect conditions and perfect levels. Let's hope things go well in Iran. Have a great trading day, folks. I'll see you soon, and look out for videos this week. Bye-bye.